Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare one of the authentic recipe, curry leaf powder. This curry leaf powder nowadays available in supermarkets. If you want to prepare this at home, please follow this recipe till the ending. For preparing curry leaf powder, we need curry leaves, sesame seeds, salt, garlic cloves, dry red chilies, cumin seeds, tamarind, coriander seeds, white urad dal, chana dal. Initially, take a pan, add oil in it. Once oil get heated, add chana dal. Add white urad dal, add coriander seeds, give a good mix, fry it on a low flame. Once these three ingredients get fried, now add cumin seeds, dry red chilies, stir it once, now add sesame seeds, mix it once, now add washed and dried curry leaves into the pan. Give a good mix. Now transfer this mixture into a plate. Now allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Once it's done, now take a blender, add this mixture into the blender. Finally, add garlic cloves, little bit tamarind, add salt as per requirement. Make it a smooth powder and transfer into a serving bowl. Finally, the curry leaf powder is ready. You can serve this curry leaf powder in idli, dosa and rice.